murderer. And I real life. Yeah, me know them for lot of chat. Rifle and go push them down flat. Man born as a murderer, and a murderer. But we bad not seen a boy, we be afraid of. We put shot on any boy face up. Yeah, man born as a murderer, and a murderer. Fuck y'all the boss gun, should be not cater. Yeah, we bad anytime, anywhere. We put shot in our face. Man, I go drop in a grave heavy. Show me bike every different place. Boy, you not bad, I must see in your place. Fly back like 1,000 bats in a cave. Yeah, and you be ready. Alter your gun, them heavy. Prezi, lock the bees, don't steady them now. Hold no men, so we bust out them jelly. Yeah, we full of rifle locks. Man, born as a murderer, and a murderer. But we bad not seen a boy, we be afraid of. We put shot on any boy face up. Yeah, man, born as a murderer, and a murderer. Fuck y'all the boss gun, should be not cater. Yeah, we bad anytime, anywhere. Circle elements and if we not see them, we go circle back. Buy me on a gun, we not run for shop. Mach 90, boss them head top. Baby roll with a move, panther, cut back. Clip rock, still have to win on me backpack. 2 rifle of Draco, and I map that. Trigger pull, shut up, pull out your fat plot. People not gonna like see that. Man born as a murderer, and a murderer. But we bad not seen a boy, we be afraid of. We put shot on any boy face up. Yeah, man born as a murderer, and a murderer. Fuck y'all the boss gun, should be not cater. Yeah, we bad anytime, anywhere. Man a murderer, and I real life. Yeah, me know them full of tough chat. Rifle and go push them down flat.
Opening day is the other, what I call a real tearjerker. You know, little boys that are going for the first time when their dad or can't sleep at night, and they're just so excited about getting out there and seeing a deer. Even if you just see a squirrel or a raccoon or something, you know, a kid is fired up about that. And then sitting around a campfire or sitting in the house with your dad and granddad and everybody telling you, I remember, you know, your dad's first deer. And just telling, everybody, each generation telling stories about the first time they caught a fish or whatever it was. But that's where opening day came from.
Leaves are turning, there's a chill in the air. Campfires are burning, we're gathered round in chairs. 3 generations of hunting in our veins, talking about what might happen on opening day. Where the man's calling for southwest winds, gonna have to change my plans. Guess I won't be hunting the power line. I'm going in Zito's tent. Sighted in my rifle and she sure is shooting straight. But I got a crossbow and a compound bow. It's opening day. I've been working all summer and it's sure been hot. Tractor tore up but I planted my plot. Deer trail running through there looks like a highway. I got my heart set on that drop top boat. There's plenty of room in the back of my truck. It's been a long year but it's gonna be worth the wait. It's opening day.
I remember my very first memory is dove. My dad bought me a 410 shotgun when I was 10. And we just had a cornfield right down the road, and me and my dad got in it, and he sat with me for a little while. And I said, I want to do it by myself. So I made him go to the other side of the field, and I sat over there by myself. Dove comes flying by me, and my heart was just like, you know, beating out of my chest, and I just threw it up. I remember I shot it. I didn't even go get the bird. I ran all the way across the field to get my daddy for him to come back over and look at it with me. You know, that's my first memory of hunting.
Blue came a cow horn spike, and my little boy started to shake. But he manned up and took his very first buck on opening day. I've been working all summer and it's sure been hot. Tractor tore up, but I planted my plot. Deer trail running through there looks like a highway. I got my heart set on that drop top boat. There's plenty of room in the back of my truck. It's been a long year, but it's
my dad took me, and the guy that owned the property, he said, whatever you do not shoot my little young button bugs, which is a first year bug, and you want your bugs to grow up. So this little doe comes out, and I got the Ruger Model 77 243 with a Leupold scope on it. I still got the gun, still shoot it, and I popped that first one, and I was so excited. We get down there and look at it, do the button. So we get back up in the stand, here comes another one. Hi-yow! I lay it down too. So I'm like 9 years old, and I've killed these 2 deer, and I can't be excited because I've screwed up what the man told us not to do. But anyway, he was fine with it, and it wound up being a very great memory for me to have my dad there to watch it.